Good morning, everybody, on this beautiful Sunday morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, but don't let that fool you, because most of eastern Ohio and western PA, we are under a tornado watch until 4 p.m. Right now, it's very, very windy here at Moraine, and a strong cold front is going to move through this afternoon and drop temperatures into the 30s overnight. It's not a good day for boating. And the tornado watch is on till 4 p.m. Sunday, March 16th, 2025. A watch means that conditions are favorable. A warning means that it's imminent or happening. So know the difference between a watch and a warning. That's where a lot of people get confused. Then we are under an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms, and that's a level 3 out of 5. And they don't issue those enhanced risks too many times for our area. And I am at beautiful Moraine State Park. Also, let's pray for the people in the deep south that were affected by yesterday's violent tornadoes. Okay, it's about 12:15 and I'm at the south shore of Moraine State Park, looking southwest, and there's a cluster of storms moving northeast through West Virginia and southwest PA. So they're coming this way. We have a cell to our east, which is producing light rain. However, there is another line of strong storms in eastern Ohio that's pushing its way northeast. It's still very windy. There were some people here walking earlier, however, they left whenever the rains came. Temperature's about 69. It rose nicely. Tomorrow's going to feel a lot different. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for eastern Lawrence County and Butler County until 1:15 p.m. on March 16th, 2025. I am looking southwest here at Moraine State Park. I'm on the south shore, and I'm just watching it rain, watching the clouds. Some storms in eastern Ohio had a rotation signature on it, but I want to tell you, straight line winds can do as much damage as a weak tornado, so you want to take all of the severe thunderstorm warnings seriously. Stay away from windows, get to the lowest level of your house. When thunder roars, head indoors. Those are some of the tips I want to share with you. So these storms are moving from the southwest and they're moving northeast. I apologize about the wipers going, but this is looking southwest, and there's a cluster of storms moving up from Beaver County. They're on their way. Right now I'm looking northwest over beautiful Lake Arthur. Not a good day for boating. We have a steady rain and the winds are starting to pick up again. I haven't observed any thunder or lightning yet. This line is mainly a wind event, and there's a lot of wind shear right above our heads. Okay. Right now I'm in the heaviest band of rain. I'm just sitting here at Moraine still. The rain is coming down in sheets. You can see it blowing all over the road. I'll put my window down. I'm gonna get wet. That's a no-brainer. Okay, Rain slowed up a lot. It was coming down in sheets and visibility was near zero. However, we're not out of the woods yet because there's another line moving through eastern Ohio. Looks like to the southwest it's starting to clear a little bit. But we're not out of the woods yet. Don't let that clearing fool you. Right now I'm at Jacksville, Esker, which is on West Liberty Road, just north of Moraine State Park. This reminds me of the movie The Birds. Ever see that? I think it came out in 1963. It was Alfred Hitchcock. Great movie. But this is a natural area. This is Miller Esker Natural Area. See that hillside? That is where the glacier stopped. And that hillside is all of the sediment that was deposited whenever the glacier stopped here. And this Esker is named after the Miller family. They farmed this property for over 100 years. Right now I'm on severe thunderstorm number 2. So Lawrence and western Butler County is under a severe thunderstorm warning until 2 p.m. And after this line passes through, this should be it for severe weather, hopefully. You can feel a drop in the temperature. It's about 60 degrees now. And straight ahead, let's see what looks like an updraft. I see a rain shaft. So this storm is in eastern Ohio and it's moving northeast. Here are some asperatus clouds. And east of Pittsburgh, there are numerous tornado warnings, like for Plum. There's some warnings in Westmoreland County. So if you're east of Pittsburgh, take shelter now. This is a small cell moving through, but there's a lot of wind associated with it. While I'm here, I want to point out that the parking lot and signs were made possible in part by Butler County Tourism and Convention Bureau, Moraine State Park, Moraine Preservation Fund, and the Charles and Violet Miller family. So thank you for making this lot possible. And the tornado watch was allowed to expire in some counties in southeastern Ohio. But things are really ramping up east of Pittsburgh, like in under the Route 528 bridge in the former village of Isle, here at Moraine State Park. The water is really choppy and unfortunately there's a bunch of dead fish. Wow. Anybody want to go kayaking? Once, twice, thrice? No, you don't want to be on the water right now. Way too choppy. The front is just about through. The severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire. It's only 2:15. And I see clearing in the distance. I'm going to be wrapping things up and heading home and getting something to eat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.